I believe we can and we will solve our problems ourselves. First of all, our lyrics are improvised and music is lower than EU average. And we already made a few reforms last year, so I really believe that we will solve our problems ourselves.
I agree and understand that Improvizia is not EMA, I can see that. But there are issues with the financing sector which are causing concern. The markets are worried about your festival's budget.
Improvizia is absolutely not EMA's. Our budget system is much smaller than EMA budget system. Our budget system is even smaller than EU average budget system. So I believe, and once again, we can and we will solve our problems ourselves.
Now let's talk about the style that your festival is facing at the moment and that is likely to face into the next year. 100% Slovenian genres. How serious is the situation in Improvizia?
I'm well aware that we have some problems. Improvizia is not isolated island. Improvizia is in the middle of Europe. But once again, our music, Slovenian music, is lower than EU average and also unemployment rate.
I hear what you say, but we have heard these comments from Slovenian Polka and Valček. I heard it myself. From the organizer there, we heard these comments from the MMS 2011, from MMS 2010, and recently from EMAS. And they need help. So why should we believe Improvizia when you tell us that you're going to sort it out yourself?
Because we know what we have to do, we can and we will, Mr. Quest.